Hello, where's my music? That's so strange. Okay. Okay. Straight up garbage from the Faraway Museum today. Snowman dresser. Shocking. Snowmen love giving me dressers. I don't know what's up with that. Okay, I had a feeling that it'd be fruit. And this is all junk. Okay. There was no snow yesterday, so we don't have to worry about any of that. So we're gonna just go straight to the store. Yellow umbrella, that is new. And what is this? Bluebell paper, which is not new. Okay, one day sale is today, correct? Proceeds to try to read that. Yes, there's a one-day sale today at 7. So I guess I'll be on at around 7 o'clock today. Okay, so we're gonna deal with the store first, because that's a necessity. And when we go on later, the store won't be doing its regular stuff anyway. So let's get this done first. Is that the dirt model? How is it I've seen this same model twice? Do I not have anything, like, rare in the store today? I guess not. Because I didn't get the letter mentioning it. Okay, things are looking pretty quick today here. I might not buy the shirts today. Or maybe I should. I don't know if I need them or not. That's the other problem. Unless I catalog the shirts and actually know what's what, I need to keep buying them. Just trying to save some time. Oh well. Okay, let's just get this. That is the dirt model though, right? Give me more models. Come on. Yeah, it is. Okay. I mean, whatever. Give me the ticket. I might want to, like, catalog my stuff soon. I don't know when I should. I guess when I stop buying things excessively. Like, these are cheap. But there's more, like, text to get through. Like, buying the umbrella, super cheap, it gives you a raffle ticket. Great. Furniture is the easiest thing to buy, though, in mass. Mass, whatever. I might not have room for the raffle ticket with this, actually. Don't mail me it later, come on. Yep. Nope. Okay, never mind, I couldn't even buy it. I messed up. Should change my outfit at some point. That would be a good idea. I haven't done that in a long time now. Okay, so the store is dealt with. I will have to come back later and I'll get some more balloons. That's the plan. Wait, shoot, I didn't actually pay attention. What kind of sale is this? Carpets again. Okay, he did that last time. Not very helpful, at least for determining item groups. Okay, anyway. No! Sorry, that's how I feel. How I feel when I get scammed by the game another time. Bruh, just give me a spike. Come on, man. I just want my first hit of money. I'm not asking for much. I'm not asking for much here. Just some money. Some money to come my way. All I want. Yeah, that's how I feel, Butch, or whoever that is. Okay, we have the igloo up there. Maybe I should do something with that. I don't. I'm in a mood now. I'm in a mood. Okay, so it went down to 87. Hopefully we can find the snowballs and they'll be like close together and it won't be annoying or anything. That would be super cool. So no new snowman item today. Well, from yesterday. And the turnips are no good. See, if I sold yesterday, they were at 140. And now they're 87. So I buy at 109, and then you multiply that by 0.8. Yeah, you get 87. That's 80%. Okay. And then 129 times like... So on Wednesday it was 129. If you multiply that by like... You add 8% on that. Oh, is it 9%? Yeah. So 9%. So my increase was like 9%. So if the rate didn't change today because it went down, that means like tomorrow it'll be like 87. It'll be like 95 tomorrow, I think. I think it'll be like 95 bells. Which is 87%. So I'm losing 13% of 2 mil. Yay. Yay. I'm not happy about this. So again, spikes only can occur Monday through Friday, so there's no chance of a spike occurring on a Saturday. Now, based on how everything played out, it could have gone a couple ways today, and I mentioned this yesterday. I could have got the spike today and things would have been great, peachy, hunky-dory even. Or I could have got an increase today, which would tell me that chances of it being a decrease tomorrow very high. Sell today and make, you know, a mil or whatever. And then there's what happened, of course, which is a decrease today. Now, every time it decreases, or like every time it increases, the chance of a decrease increases. Yeah, that's great. Good sentence. Go me. No! Not like this. Alright, let me go in the museum and reset it. Great. I'm gonna sneeze. Never mind. Okay, here's one. I don't know if this one was already here. But we have one snowball down here. Great. That's how I feel. Don't mind me. I'm in a mood now. Shocking. Me when I lose money and I'm annoyed. Anyway, so yeah, it decreased today, which means like the chance of an increase tomorrow is incredibly high, and like there's like rates that they like go up and down, and it's based on like the numbers. The way that it's written on the wiki, I don't really like it, but using that and then confirming with the numbers I have, I can actually have like a proper idea of what it means and confirm what it means. So that part's good. Like, yeah, I know what's going on with that at least. So if I'm correct, we should have like 95 bells tomorrow, which means we're at a 13% loss, which is better than last week. I'm cooked. Yeah, see, this time I did. Yeah, I gotta do a loop around first. Wow, no lost items for like the past 3 days. Crazy stuff. There's a fossil here, but I literally don't even care. The game just doesn't want me to have good luck. He's gonna be like, oh, Joan? KK? Oh, good. I'm just like... I need, like, Gracie or Red to show up. Honestly. That's, like, the frustrating part. Okay, anyway. I really don't even want to dig this up, but I guess I will. I feel compelled to dig. We're still going to be getting fossils for a little bit, I guess, because of the surplus. I don't know how long that'll continue for. Snowball here, please? Make it easy? Simple and clean, perhaps? For anyone who's been following, I finished Dream Drop Distance, and I got the plat. Very easy. Oh, man, not another one. Come on. I'm on a Kingdom Hearts break now. I did 2 back-to-back, so, you know, break time. Kingdom Hearts 3 did go on sale, though, so that's pretty cool. Love buying a game on sale. Okay, where is my snowball? Don't tell me it's, like, up top somewhere after the respawn. That'd be annoying. I haven't seen any, like, up here lately. Uh-huh. Okay. Well, that's no good. I don't see it anywhere convenient. Oh, man, I have to sell these tomorrow. Ugh. That's how I feel. Just big ugh energy. I want to say it again, but I'm trying not to be, like, too negative right now. I'm annoyed, though. I was really hoping... Okay, just get out of here with this. Okay, so right now I need to find the snowball, and then, like, I could just kind of call it there. I don't know. That's really all that matters. Okay, it's up here, which sucks. So we have one here and one over there. yeah, I'm gonna have to sell, and I guess it'll be very likely a 13% loss tomorrow if I've done the math right, which is not great. But we're gonna make it work, and then hopefully next week we can actually get a spike, but I could just have awful luck and not get another one. I don't really want to sell fruit again. I mean, like, I'm at 82k. So if I put 2 mil in and I'm still at 82k, like, you know, that means I still have some money. But, like, if I'm losing 13%, then I'm losing, you know, 200k at least. So if I want to put 2 mil in again, then we're gonna have to actually make more money, which I don't want to do. I just want the turnips to hit. Oh, that looked... Huh? Where'd it go? Okay, I was so afraid that it went in the water. I didn't hear the water, but I was, like, afraid that I... I'm just afraid. Oh, no, no, no. Come on, come on. No, no, no. Very ominous of you there, Butch. Oh, no, no, no. I don't like that. Spooky. Trying to get my picture up. The bottom one's definitely way bigger than usual, but I think this is fine. Yeah, okay. Okay. Well... Wait. No, never mind. Okay. I guess I'll just call it then. I don't feel like dealing with the igloo today. I'm gonna deal with that soon. I will do it soon. Because I don't have, like, too much time left. I mean, I still have until the 24th, so I still have over a month. So, okay, so another botched week of turnips. So, tomorrow I'm gonna have to go on... Don't sell the shovel. I guess, okay, so today I will go on at 7-ish, somewhere between 7 and 8 to check out the sale, and then turn on the lighthouse. So that's happening. And then tomorrow I'm gonna have to sell the turnips, and it's gonna be at a loss, which is unfortunate. Even if we didn't get the spike this week, I was hoping we could have at least got like some profit from today, but nope. So I might go on later tomorrow, so that I can do like one stream where it's like KK Lighthouse, sell it, but I might also just do two because I want to get the turnips out of the way. And then I'll buy more turnips on Sunday, and things will be great. And I'll have to do 2 streams then too. Okay, so that's that. I made a snowman. We'll get the letter tomorrow or tonight. I guess tonight maybe after 5 p.m. That would work. I dug up some fossils, but that's not really important. Didn't really get anything important from the store. Just like not a great productive day, but we finished the museum yesterday at least, so whatever. Anyway, 20 minutes, pretty quick. I'm out. See you later. Bye.